Here I have Samsung Galaxy Tab Active2, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the accounts and backup, backup and restore. Here at the Google account you have to enable backup my data feature, then add your backup Google account. Of course you'll need internet connection to do this. So here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Then you have to, okay, let's try one more time. Then tap next. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And at last, what you will have to do is to tap accept here. Not last, then you have to tap turn on, and now your device will be ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.